Property development firm Hammerson will reportedly slash its dividend and write down the value of its assets in its results this week. Peel Hunt analysts have forecasted that the shopping centre owner will cut its dividend by 30%, according to reports in the Sunday Times. Read more. Hammerson sells 7 retail parks to Orion for £400 million. Analysts estimate that the value of Hammerson's assets, which stood at £9.9 billion a year ago, will fall by approximately 20%. The firm is exposed to the woes of the retail sector as online shopping and increased costs have plagued the British high street. Since 2018, Hammerson has been in the process of exiting the retail parks sector to focus instead on a portfolio of flagship assets. Sign up to City AM's midday update newsletter, delivered to your inbox every lunchtime. Last week, Hammerson announced it had sold 7 retail parks to Orion's European real estate fund for £400 million, the largest sale of its kind in the UK for a decade. It was a 22% discount to the book value of the assets. The deal takes the total sum of Hammerson's disposals since the beginning of last year to £975 million. Shares in Hammerson have slumped in the last 2 years after the firm rebuffed a £5 billion takeover approach from French shopping centre owner Klépierre in 2018. Read more. Hammerson continues retail property disposal with £54 million sale. Shares in other retail landlords have followed suit amid a spate of bankruptcies and closures. Shares in Inter lost nearly a third of their value earlier this month after Link Real Estate Investment Trust said it would no longer participate in a £1 billion emergency cash call. The Trafford Centre owner is struggling under a £4.7 billion debt while many of its tenants are closing stores in response to rising costs. Get the news as it happens by following City AM on Twitter. For more on this story, visit the news article link.